Rolling. Speed. Action.
Now say my lines now.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah! Welcome to the B-roll footage. We're making Elle's movie right now. It's about a girl who falls in love with a guy through fire drills, except something happens. I don't know. We're gonna find out.
No, when we set out to do this, there were a lot of hardships, a lot of people who said we couldn't do what we wanted to do.
When she first came to me with the idea for the movie, I said, yeah, alright. And then that movie got canceled.
There were a lot of problems along the way, some malfunctions with the computer. We lost an entire movie, so we said, hey, let's put all of our effort into Sound the Alarm this year.
And then she's like, I'm making another movie. I said, alright.
Yeah, I've actually never been in a project like this before. Actually, I've never been in a project before, so...
This is something that no one's ever tried before. It's completely innovative, completely new.
Alright guys, welcome back to the B-roll footage. We're in the staircase. Say what's up, people. Yeah! Woo! Campus MovieFest 2K18, baby.
You can't trust your narrator. There's so many continuity errors, and it's on purpose. I swear to God, it's on purpose. Okay? It's on purpose. It's on purpose. No, get me in it.
I wish I was playing Fortnite right now.
Because you can't trust her. She's an unreliable narrator. You can't trust RC Jeff, you can't trust Lana, you can't trust nobody out there. Okay.
I've actually never driven a car before. That was a really cool experience.
You know, I'm just a really emotional person, so first time I saw it, I cried. I called my mom on FaceTime.
Funny, smart, excellent.
Illustrious, berserk.
Innovative, groundbreaking, smelly.
Really personal, really electrifying.
Privilege. Privilege. Feminist.
Inexpensive.
Never been done before. Groundbreaking, innovative, Lasallian, educational, bold, brave.
Victory.
Really triumphant, you know? Inspiring.
Hungry. Hey, can we go get sandwiches?
Yeah, for sure.